It's 31 days of ice swimming!
Alright, let's see how this turns out. Ready for liftoff. Alright, and we're good. May have run into a small problem with my drone. Yeah, the gimbal overloaded and I couldn't even turn it off, and it just, like, the wind blew it right into a tree. Maybe it'll be a fun video trying to fix it. That's wild though, I've never seen this happen. Alright, time to go swim. This is one of the best parts of this place. There's a little bit of a wind shelter to get changed in right here. So, yeah. Alright, so we're here in Pikukoski, trying a new swim spot. As you can see there. Yeah, I was just flying my drone and I crashed it right into where that trail of snow is. And it looks like one of the arms is broken on it. So I'm not even so focused on swimming right now. I'm just kind of upset that my drone broke. Drones are replaceable. So one of the things about this spot is you got to make sure that the pump is off. Let me see if it's still off. If this is the on or off switch. I think that this just turns it off, but I'll press it again just to be sure. So for these, for your safety, they want to make sure that the pumps are off and there's no issues in that regard. So let's set it up right there. It's deep. All right, this is day 28 and we're still going strong. I can't believe the one day that I decided to take my drone out, I ended up crashing and breaking the wing. It happens. Oh. Whew. All right, so thanks for tuning in. Whew. Hopefully I have some cool stuff planned for this weekend. And let's see how I do these last couple days. 3 more days left. All right, I'm getting out. Okay, I got out just as the pump turned on, which is good timing. I'm not really sure how to work the pump, and I think there's like a swimming society here, but it didn't say members only, which is good. All right, see you guys tomorrow. But anyway, yeah, there's a little place to get dressed here, and then that's where you go swim. So besides crashing my drone today, it was a pretty successful day overall. Got a new place in.
His name is Matthew, and he's swimming outside in the cold in the month of January, and it's real, real cold.